In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watermark TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clear, useful watermark to your chart so anyone looking at a screenshot or a shared layout immediately understands what symbol and time frame they're seeing without you having to add captions. Start by opening your chart and pulling up the platform's settings. You can do this in either of two quick ways. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the chart, or right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Settings from the menu that appears. Both options open the same settings panel, so use whichever feels faster for you. If you don't see the gear, make sure the chart is active and the top toolbar is visible. Inside the settings panel, look to the left side and select the Canvas tab. Think of Canvas as everything about the chart's backdrop and on-chart visuals that aren't tied to a particular indicator or symbol. This is where you control elements like the background, session breaks, and of course the watermark. Now find the watermark section within the Canvas tab and turn it on. The moment you enable it, you'll see a faint text overlay appear on your chart. This is your watermark, and you can tailor it to show exactly what you want. You'll typically see options to include the symbol or ticker, the description or company name, the time frame, and sometimes the exchange. Check the boxes for the items you want visible. For a clean, professional look, many traders keep the symbol and time frame on. If you often share charts publicly, adding the description and exchange can provide extra clarity. You can also fine-tune how bold or subtle the watermark appears. Adjust the opacity so it's readable without distracting from price action. If your watermark is disappearing into the background, nudge the opacity higher or choose a stronger color. If it feels overpowering, reduce the opacity or scale down the size. As you make changes, watch the live preview on your chart. It updates instantly, making it easy to dial in the perfect balance. If you still can't see the watermark after enabling it, double-check your chart's theme and contrast. A very light watermark on a light background or a very dark one on a dark theme can be hard to spot. Switching the watermark color or slightly increasing opacity usually fixes it right away. That's it. Open Settings, go to Canvas, enable watermark, and check the options you want. With just these tweaks, your charts become clearer, more informative, and share-ready in seconds.